Hi, I'm dear friends, and this is Krita, and I want to show you such an interesting tool like line tool. It's very difficult to draw nice lines, really good lines, so in Krita, let me do Ctrl Z, we can use line tool. Okay, you see, it's wonderful. And if you will hold Shift after you started drawing, click and hold Shift, you have horizontal line or easily a vertical line. It's easy to do it to be vertical. Okay, because without Shift you don't know how to manage the degrees, whether like that or like this. It's okay. And for example, you are painting something and then you want to use line tool, you just have to click V on your keypad and that's it. It's done. You see, it switched here. Now it switched back to brushes. Wonderful. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.